Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a powerful herbal hair tonic made by 13 ancient Ayurvedic herbs that work wonders for your hair. This natural remedy helps stop hair fall, boost new hair growth, treat dandruff and scalp infections, reduce premature graying, strengthen hair from root to tip, promote long, thick, shiny hair, and the best part? It's 100% chemical-free, affordable and made at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more powerful DIY remedies. So if you're ready to transform your hair naturally, let's get started. In a large pot, add 3 to 4 kilograms of water. Place it on low flame to let it gradually heat up. Now add the following ingredients. 10 grams Bhringraj false daisy. Promotes fast hair growth and prevents early graying. 10 grams hibiscus, dried flower, strengthens hair, prevents breakage, and adds shine. 10 grams Jatamansi balchar, spikenard, deeply nourishes the scalp and supports hair regrowth. 10 grams Nagar Motha, Nutgrass, fights dandruff and calms scalp inflammation. 50 grams Flaxseeds. Rich in omega-3, they reduce dryness and add shine. 10 grams Neem Leaves, antibacterial and antifungal, perfect for dandruff and scalp infections. 10 grams Rosemary, stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes growth. 10 grams mustard seeds, strengthen roots and prevent thinning. 40 grams Amla and Shikakai. Amla, Indian gooseberry, high in vitamin C, boosts collagen and strengthens follicles. Shikakai, acacia consina, gently cleanses and supports hair strength. 10 grams Pershosha, Hansraj, traditionally used to boost hair density and support follicle health. It prevents hair loss, alopecia, and dandruff. Dried rose flowers, soften hair and leave a refreshing natural scent. 1 large onion, with peel, finely chopped, rich in sulfur, helps thicken hair and reduce breakage. 10 grams fenugreek seeds, methi dana, stop hair fall, remove dandruff, and improve scalp health. Let the herbs slowly boil in the water for 30 to 40 minutes on low flame. Continue until the water reduces to about 1 kilogram. This slow boiling helps extract the full nutrients from every ingredient into the water, turning it into a potent herbal serum. Once done, turn off the flame and let the mixture cool slightly. Strain the liquid using a fine strainer or muslin cloth into a clean glass or plastic bottle. How to use. Spray the serum directly on your scalp and hair roots. Massage gently with fingertips for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For even better results, use a herbal shampoo. I've already shared a herbal shampoo recipe on my channel. Check it out. Overnight treatment. Massage the serum into your scalp before bedtime. Let it dry naturally and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning with mild or herbal shampoo. Store this serum in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. Shake well before each use. This herbal hair water is a powerful hair tonic, natural solution for anyone struggling with hair fall, dandruff, or weak hair roots. It's made with love, tradition, and the best of nature. If you found this remedy helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY remedies that actually work. Until next time, stay natural, stay beautiful. Love.